layers are one of the most important tools in Photopea. So let me teach you how to use them. Think of layers like a stack of glass or plastic panels that are stacked on top of each other, and you're looking at them from the top. So let me show you how to add a new layer. Go to this icon right here, the folded paper, click on it, and you have a new layer there. So how to show and hide the layer? Let me show you on this one, the background. You click on this eye icon right here. Click on it, it will hide it. Click on it again, it will show it. And then let me show you how to rename. Double click on the name of the layer, write down what you want, click outside, the name will change. If you want to move a layer, just click on it and drag it. It will go to a new place. If you want to delete a layer, just click on it, click backspace or delete. Now let me show you the difference between opacity and fill. I'll show you on this image right here. So opacity, first, this is the text design that I added a stroke to it, an effect on it. So opacity will affect the whole image and the effect that I've added to it, just like this. And fill will only affect the design itself without the effect. You see, the red is still there, but the black is gone. If you have a layer that you want to duplicate, simply right click on it, duplicate layer. You will have a copy for it. And if you want to move a layer from one project to the other, like here I have two projects. So just click on it, drag it to the other project, release it on top of it. Or you can right click on the layer, click duplicate into, and then choose the project from here and OK. Last, let me tell you about multiple layers. So for example, I have these two text layers. Let's say I want to group them together. So first, to select them both, click on one of them, then click on Control, keep on Control, and click the other one. Now they are selected together. If you want to group them together in a folder, just click on this folder link. This has created a folder to put them together. See, if you click on it, you'll see the layers. If you want to remove it from the folder, just drag it outside, release it outside. Now, if you want to merge two layers together, just simply highlight them both, right click on them, merge layers. But you have to be careful. Once you merge layers together, you cannot unmerge them or separate them from each other. They will be one picture. So if you do that and make a mistake, just Ctrl Z for undo or undo from here. And that's it. That's how to use the layers. If you want more information about how to use Photopea or do photo editing using it, watch my videos and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can grab my photo editing guide that is in the description below. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.